Welcome back to Muscle Car Central. I'm Ben Tucker with Camaro and Firebird Central. We're back at our garage. Quick update on the 67 Camaro. We've got most of vintage air ran. We've got our hoses ran, interior boxes in, wired up, ready to go. Looking great. We've got the American Auto Wire, ran front to rear, headlights are up, engine harness is ready. We're looking really good. This is a sweet progress we've got going on. We've got a lot of videos coming at you to really show you some more about vintage air, American Auto Wire, Dakota Digital, but today, a really brief update, what we've been doing. You can already see all the glasses in. This is amazing. Thank you to OER for that clear glass factory. It's got a beautiful fit, front and rear, love it. Inside here, it's got the Nu-Relics Power Window Kit with what they call the new crank switches. So you can actually put a factory style, window crank on there. All you do is lift up, window goes up, push down. I mean, this is way too cool. That's power window, that's all it is. Let's go back up. Nu-Relics is 100% USA made. It really is the only power window kit we sell. We suggest it. If you're looking for one, remember to shop online. It's a great product. Inside, we've did the ACC Carpet. We went for the mass backing one-piece front to rear carpet. Unbelievable. This is show quality. It's like something you would see in a Lexus or Mercedes. It's their Essex black carpet, a little bit thicker than their normal cut pile. Pre-molded, but I think you will really want to look at this on our website, CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, Essex Carpet. Whoa, you're going to love it. All this is done here at our shop. It's stuff you can do too. Stay tuned for more. Remember to subscribe and like and hit that button.